What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another one. Now today is a very quick one, right guys? You have all these things maybe lying around in your pantry and like I don't know what to do with them, so this is a quick and easy way to whip up something for lunch or a snack or whatever you feel like having on a particular day. But before we jump into this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel guys for more awesome content. So let's start. So here we're gonna make some tuna fritters as the title of the video suggested. So here I have some tuna. I have 2 cans of canned tuna that I have drained and we're gonna use this. So to this we're gonna add this to our bowl. And here we have some bell peppers. No red, orange, yellow, green, some red onions and a little bit of garlic ginger paste. It's optional, you could use whatever seasoning you like or cut them to the desired shape you like and all of that. So we're gonna add these to our bowl. And we have a little bit of spice. So we have some salt-free all-purpose, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, black pepper and salt. You could use whatever flavor profile you like. I'm gonna add this in. Give this a mix. And here we have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Gonna mix that. Give this a mix. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some water to this. You're gonna add the amount of water to the consistency you want your fritters to be. So in this case, I had about 8 ounces of water in that cup. I'm going to use the entire thing. I'm going to mix and combine this very well. Now guys, this is the consistency you want it to have. You don't want it to be too thick or too runny. Okay guys, so this is the consistency you want it to have. Now we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes while we preheat our oil. So guys, now that our oil is nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and start frying these bad babies up. So we're going to drop spoonfuls at a time. You could make these how big or how small you like, and you don't want to crowd the pot guys. So we're going to fry these up until golden brown on the other side, or until you can see where it's cooking through from the other side, if you get what I mean. So I'll show you when I'm about to flip these. Now it's time to flip these up guys. As you can see, it starts to cook all the way through. Now we're going to flip these. Now guys, it's time to remove these from the oil. This is how I want it. I like them kind of crispy. So I'm going to remove these from the oil now. I'm gonna repeat this step until all the batter is finished. That's it, beautiful people. Thanks for watching. I do hope you try and enjoy this recipe. Until then, see you in another one.